spending all your life trying to...
So here you are, enjoying a quiet Tuesday with all of those handy little devices that make your home a home, when suddenly, the power goes out. Thankfully, you thought ahead. Enter R600, the only power station of its size with enough energy to run almost any household device. See, most power stations like this can handle your standard device. Things like lanterns, laptops, stereos, even little Cosmo here. Anything that needs 600 watts or less, no problem. But R600 goes above and beyond other power solutions. So even during a blackout, you can scramble some eggs, brew a cup of joe, or blow dry those beautiful locks without a moment's worry. So how long does the battery last? Well, that's entirely up to you. The base model gives you 300 watt hours of energy storage. That's like running a laptop for about 15 hours. But I have a feeling you want more. So at any point in time, you can upgrade to R600 Max. This adds an extra battery module, giving you double the energy storage capacity of R600. And then there's this piece of magic. When you buy 2 R600 Max units, this extension cable allows you to chain them together, quadrupling your storage capacity and doubling your output, so you can power heavy-duty gadgets wherever work takes you. Now take a moment and picture your next road trip. Anyone with a bit of wanderlust knows power is priceless in the great outdoors. That's why with R600 Pro, sky's the limit. It includes an expansion module for attaching any number of LFP or deep cycle batteries. Your storage capacity is literally limitless. An R600 Pro will monitor your power usage as if it was all a single integrated unit. Now I know what you're thinking. Big battery, big charge time. It's a fair assumption. But the difference between R600 and other storage devices, it's 10 times faster. The battery recharges from 0 to 80% in only 1 hour. That's all well and good when there's an outlet around, but Mother Nature rarely affords us such luxury. So when you're out and about, put on an eco-friendly face. Because with its 160 watt solar panels, R600 recharges in just 3 hours of direct sunlight. It also solves another problem that I think many of us have. Nowadays, our bags are bursting at the seams with dongles and power adapters, AC, DC, USB, Type-C, too many. Well, you can leave those bricks at the door. R600 is fitted with every port you'll ever need to power any device. As you might expect, the built-in screen tracks each and every watt that flows through the battery. Is this useful? Yeah, absolutely. But convenient? Not so much. In this wireless world of ours, remote control is key. Now you can pair R600 with the new EcoFlow mobile app. It does everything, right from the palm of your hand. Monitor your output, receive recharge alerts, check your carbon footprint, or set the mood for date night when the kids are out of the house. Long story short, R600 is your one-stop shop for staying connected on and off the grid. With unlimited power expansion, ultra-fast recharge, and so much smart functionality, it's bound to break the bank, right? Not quite. R600 starts at just $299 because we believe in building a better world by bringing clean, untethered energy to everyone.
The right book at the right time can change your life, but it takes years to go through hundreds of books to find the right one, until now. Pulsing gives you the most impactful books from best-selling authors, with key highlights carefully extracted and produced for you into an engaging video series. One of the fascinating things about our brains is that it can process visual elements 60,000 times faster than text. With Pulsing, you're learning the key concepts of each book through a visual and interactive experience that's designed to keep you engaged. You have the flexibility of watching it in one sitting from home, at the office, or listening to the audio version on the go. We start our workflow by bringing our professional writers and editors to go through each book in detail to select the key insights we think are most important and actionable. Once everything is packaged, each video book is shot and produced in our very own studios. The beautiful thing about Pulsing is you're getting unlimited access to a growing list of diverse titles, with new ones being added constantly. You have the freedom to choose your own adventure. Watch books you never had the time to read, discover new ones, and save time by cutting through the fluff. Meet Pulsing, the new way to watch books.
Introducing Maonocaster, a portable all-in-one podcast production studio. Maonocaster uses advanced engineering that allows the user to cut down on noises, control the sound levels, and to add live vocal and sound effects through a comprehensive set of tools. You can live stream to multiple platforms simultaneously or record to your favorite recording software. Maonocaster supports up to 4 presenters at the same time through easy connections to 2 microphones for vocals, 2 audio sources, a total of 4 high-quality channels. Integrating remote call-ins in live broadcasting is easy with Maonocaster. By enabling the sidechain button, it will help your vocals automatically cut through over the music when podcasting.
The next song is My Heart Will Go On. Enjoy!
By pressing the Music Only button, you can effortlessly fade the vocals in any song, leaving only the background music for you to sing along with in podcasts. Maonocaster comes with 6 vocal effects preset buttons.
That is how I know you. That is how I know you.
4 preset jingle pads, 1 preset cough pad, and 3 programmable jingle pads to upload your own jingles using Maonocaster PC app. So just set up your volume and get ready to go live. With the high quality build and the amazing portability, anywhere could be your broadcast station or studio. Maonocaster, the ultimate home podcast station.
Okay, Google, play the morning playlist.
Okay, playing morning playlist.